Yeah, hey, Woodsuck here. Hope everyone's doing okay out there. This is going to be part two of the female girl face. Yeah, I'm not going to have the constant narration throughout this video due to the fact that I have some time limitations while I'm at doing some other work at this farm. So basically, I'll interject here and there with ideas and thoughts. In particular, this burr you're seeing I'm using right now is a Saburrtooth extreme flame burr. I would imagine it's what they call it, but it's almost like a needle. It's good for tight spots, and it's a coarse burr too, so you got to be a little bit mindful with it. I should try to get some finer burrs on this style. It'd be interesting to see the results. Yeah, also apologies for the lapse in videos lately. I've been inundated with agricultural work as we speak, so that's a one-time year thing that I do every year in the month of October. So things are going to change though next year. I anticipate taking a sabbatical or time off from that due to the fact that I have some time limitations on some recovery options for my property that got burned up, so I have to work fast with that. So other than that, I'll just take a pause here for a moment and come back in a little bit, and this will be chapter marked for narration segments as well, so if you want to listen to my voice, you can use the chapter search menu option in the video description. It should be in the title as well, I mean. But yeah, anyway, I'll be back in it very shortly. Yeah, the lighting's changed a bit on this next scene change here. It's due to the fact that I changed my light source. and it's a little darker to see, but I like to use lights when I'm carving too. It gives me a more contour and shadow effects, so I can see where I need to remove material. But again, if you're new on the scene here, this piece of wood is a actual bark from a cottonwood tree. If you're fairly new here, so I just wanted to mention that. And it's very soft as it is, and it doesn't take much pressure to carve into it. So I just like to take a leisurely pace with this, and kind of let the face come out on its own, you know. Let the wood dictate the piece, more or less. Also, this burr is a diamond burr. It's on medium coarse, or medium grade, I'd say. And it's using it to carve out and also smooth at the same time. So it has two purposes, in my opinion, when I use it. And since the wood's the material's so soft, the bark is, the diamond burr doesn't have any problems going through that as well. So yeah, I'm working around the eye area around here. I use reference pictures from time to time for the eyes, just to get them dialed in. And the diamond burr actually does a good job for the eyes, for defining the eyelids and things like that, especially these small spherical burrs. And yeah, just take your time. Eventually things will come out. Yeah, basically I'm doing a voiceover while I'm waiting for my spud truck to unload right now, so you might hear some strange background noises. Just trying to maximize my time here, but that's another reason why I'm not doing a lot of voiceover on this video in particular. I'm going to take a few breaks here and there. So, but I do have some really great ideas coming up at the end of the month or the early November, so stay tuned for that. I won't go into many details on that, but it's going to be quite different, so hopefully more exciting. I don't know, we'll see. But like I said, always thinking about new things to do. So at this juncture, I'm going to step aside again and just let the video do the talking, and I'll be back very shortly. Okay. Yeah, here's yet another lighting change I made for the video. Just added some above head lighting shining down on the face so I could see the shadows better. Gives more of a defining look, or also lets you as the sculptor know what to remove. Yeah, this second part video is pretty much done, but I'm going to have another video following this video covering some small nuances and details of this face. So it'll be like essentially like a part 3, but in reality it'll just be like a just supplemental video, more or less. So hopefully that won't take as long as the last one to come out. So But stay tuned, and I'll post some messages on the community page and stuff, so you can see what's going on and be informed that way. But yeah, excited about getting some new burrs here as well. We'll see after I get a couple paychecks from the farm, buy some new toys, maybe do a couple reviews on them as well. So it'll be a mentioned in the community page as well for upcoming videos. Try to keep everyone informed that way, so it just doesn't jump out right at you or anything like that, you know. Yeah, I'll take another narration break here, and I'll meet you up at the end of the video. So see you over there. So I hope this video is useful for anyone that's into carving. It may be more advanced for some people, but at this stage, but hopefully if you're a beginner, maybe it'll help you accelerate your carving to the next level. Yeah, I always have my equipment list posted in the description of the video, and also at the end of the video if you're interested, see what I'm using. So, and other than that, like I said, this thing is videos are usually chapter marked as well, so for pertinent highlighted areas. I don't know if there's too many chapter marks in this one, because it's basically just for fine details. I just focus on the overall general face, not one particular area like the eyes or nose, you know. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and talk to you soon. Okay, bye.